Own your life. Take responsibility for your life. I'm going to use another Steeler analogy here. The Steelers in a crazy game in December beat the Detroit Lions. I've done a couple videos about this. And at afterwards, there were some controversial calls, but I watched the game except for the thrilling finish. Or either way, you could be a Lions fan and be like, dude, that was bad. Same thing, Steelers fan, dude, that was a bad call. But what I loved about that is afterward, it was Jared Goff and another Lions player, and they were like, you know what? One play doesn't make the entire game. We had to do other things better. And so they owned the loss, even if it was a call that maybe shouldn't have happened or didn't go their way. They weren't willing to blame it on one call and be like, oh, it would have been different. They said, you know what? If we would have played well, the entire 60 minutes, there might have been a different outcome. So I'm going to encourage you. Where is it that you're not owning your life or taking responsibility or blaming it on someone, right? Life's not going to change. You're not going to accomplish what you want. You're always playing the victim and pointing the finger. When you clear your clutter, you can create a life and home you love.